My name is Lainey, my pronouns are they, them, and today we are going to a J fashion meetup, a Lolita meetup, to round one, the arcade. This is my car cord for today. It's Innocent World. I did make a get ready with me vlog if you want to see me put it together. I'm really nervous, so I'm rambling. It's been maybe like 2 years since I've been to a J fashion meetup. I'm so nervous, but I'm like, we gotta make friends, we gotta do this, we gotta, I'm so nervous. I'm really nervous, but it's okay. We're doing our best. But pray for me. I'm so nervous. Wow. Okay, so it has been forever since I've done any kind of voiceover, so bear with me. But guys, I went bowling for the first time since I was 17, and I was like thinking about this as I was putting my bowling shoes on, right? Like the last time I went bowling was when I was like studying abroad in France and living with a host family, and my like host dad was like obsessed with bowling. Like he had bowling socks, and for his birthday we bowled. And that was, you know, that was 8 years ago was the last time I went bowling. So I was hella nervous. I don't know how to bowl. I had to choose the lightest ball that existed. And even that was still too heavy. And like, yeah, no, I don't know what I'm doing. Like I can do Wii Sports bowling and that's about it. So I was hella nervous. Everybody was doing great. And I was like, what the fuck am I doing? How do I do this? How do I bowl? Like you can literally see me. I'm like struggling to pick it up and I'm like, here we go. Ba-boom! I had to put the bumpers up too because I was like sucking so bad. But yeah. I was very proud of myself. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. But yeah, I did cheat, by the way. I'm not actually good at bowling. I cheated and I put the bumpers up because, but you know the great thing about round one, which is like the arcade that we were at, is they have these like dinosaur kid things that you can actually use for the bowling balls. Like I saw a kid with one of these things. It's like a dinosaur and you roll the bowling ball down its back and it like whoosh, and I wanted to use it so bad, but I didn't know it existed at this time. But next month, you'll see me do it. But literally everybody was so good all around, and I was there just like amazed. And everybody like, it was so non-competitive too, which was like really nice. Like I don't know, I get really scared in like bowling and things where you like compete against each other because I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna lose and then I'm gonna feel bad because like I suck at bowling. I haven't bowled in like 8 years. I don't even know how to bowl. But everybody was like cheering for each other after every single round. It was literally so much fun. And if you ended on an even number, you got like a little trinket at the end. So I didn't get a trinket, but Zane did, and it was really cool. And then after that, you guys, you're gonna be so proud of me. I did karaoke for the first time ever in my life. I have not sung in front of a crowd, in front of anyone who is like not close friends in the car in over 10 years. And I was really proud of myself. I was actually so proud of myself that I was able to sing in front of this group of Lolitas who sounded amazing, who were like having a blast, who were singing their hearts out. And I was so nervous going in, like I had sweat dripping down my arms. I was like physically shaking. You could hear it in my voice. And I was just like, I gotta do this. Like everybody else is having a blast. They're putting themselves out there. Like I can do this. I can sing in front of people. And I did it. I did karaoke for the first time ever at the age of 25. I sung in front of people. I have not sung in front of anyone else since middle school. And I was so proud. And of course, because, you know, this is like an arcade, we had to finish off the day with like some arcade games, which were so fun. We played skee ball. If you guys didn't know this, I'm like a skee ball champion. I suck now, but back in university, like I was so good at skee ball. Like I averaged about like 73,000 per game. I used to be so good at skee ball, like 73,000. And of course, we had to play the clown game. Okay, we all know this clown game is like the best game at arcades ever. And I also love this arcade because they have the funkiest like wins for claw machines. And look at this frog with an ass. I've been trying to win this frog with an ass for literal weeks. I've been to 2 different round ones trying to win that frog with an ass, and I still can't. I've probably put in like I think I'm up to $52 now trying to win that frog, and I freaking can't. Oh my god, we found someone's underwear on the floor. Don't mind this. I don't know why I filmed this. I was delirious. I was like high on social interaction. I had such a great time. But yeah, that's my little vloggy vlog. How was my voiceover? Rate my voiceover, please. Okay, bye. We have made it back to the car. I only had a game card for 1 hour and I lost it. I have no idea where it went. I think I might have left it like in the bathroom or like in a game. No idea where it went. Only had it for 1 hour. It's editing Lainey. I just wanted to tell you guys what happened with my game card because it's kind of funny. So I did lose my game card after 1 hour of having it. I'm pretty sure I left it in the bathroom, like on the sink. So I have an insider source who was like, hey, you kept your receipt. You can go up to the desk the next time you're at that arcade and like tell them I lost my game card. Can I get a new one? And then you don't have to pay the like $2, $5 for a new game card. So I did that. I went up and I was like, hey, I think I left my card in the bathroom last time I was here, but I kept my receipt. Can I get a new card and like not pay for it? And the guy was like, yeah. Let me look up your history to like verify you haven't used it since whatever day it was. He's like, so I see that all of the points were spent the next day. And I was like, that wasn't me. That wasn't me who did that. So apparently someone did pick up my card and they spent all of my points. And the guy was like, I'm sorry, friend, like I can't give you your points back. And I was like, it's fine. It's my fault. It's my fault I left it in the bathroom or wherever I left it. The worst part is someone used all of my game points that were left and they didn't win a single ticket. Not even one ticket. So either they did all claw machines or they suck at games. But let's drive home and then let's wrap up. Haha. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me tonight for our arcade meetup. I had such a fun time. That was actually so great. And I was so nervous going into, and I actually had such a blast and I had an amazing time. And there's one next month too that I'm like thinking I might go to. I probably will go to it. But thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. I hope you had fun watching, and I shall see ya next time. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, here's the fit check, by the way. Feet. Not like feet, but like F-E-A-T. my shoes and my cat and my box of ramen. Anyways, bye. Thanks for hanging out.